To date, at least 7 MTA workers have died from complications related to COVID-19.
Hundreds of bus and train operators have tested positive for the virus. Nate Rogers spoke to a union leader about how they're working hard to keep transit workers safe.
That's right, Bill. In fact, 2 of those MTA workers died today. Ernesto Hernandez, a bus operator for 15 years. Also, Warren Tucker, a 5-year veteran and bus mechanic. MTA service now reduced following New York City's massive COVID-19 outbreak. Union leaders say just like healthcare workers, bus and subway operators desperately need protective gear.
We recognize our vital role in society. The problem is we're not going to kill ourselves for the New York City Transit Authority.
After a union-led push, MTA workers now wear face masks. For bus drivers, a divider now shields them from the public. But they're still in need of more essentials, including rubber gloves and disinfectant wipes. Also on buses, rear door boarding for passengers is now enforced.
Riders board through the rear door of the bus in almost every case. And that gives a level of protection to the bus operator that didn't exist before in terms of direct contact with the riding public.
Now, Bill, there are more than 40,000 MTA workers in New York City. More than 300 of them have tested positive for COVID-19. 5 have died. The Transit Workers Union now fighting for these fatalities to be classified as line-of-duty deaths, which grants family members more benefits.
If the New York City Transit Authority tries to fight the line-of-duty death, they're going to be met with a reciprocal fight back that they're not going to appreciate too much.
In a statement, the MTA said in part, quote, "We are heartbroken at the passing of 5 heroic members of the New York City Transit family. Also, their families and friends are in our prayers." Now, the MTA would not comment on our questions regarding more protective equipment as well as those line-of-duty deaths. In New York, I'm Nate Rogers for Chasing News.